Every organization needs a structure to function effectively. In this lesson, we'll explore the most common types of organizational structures, their benefits, and their challenges, helping you determine the best fit for your business. Functional structure. In a functional structure, employees are grouped by specialization, such as marketing, finance, or operations. Pros: clear roles, efficiency, and skill development. Cons: can lead to siloed thinking and slow cross-team collaboration. Divisional structure. A divisional structure organizes teams based on products, geography, or customer segments. Pros: focused expertise and flexibility. Cons: potential duplication of resources and inefficiencies. Matrix structure. A matrix structure blends functional and divisional models with employees reporting to multiple leaders. Pros: encourages collaboration and resource sharing. Can create confusion over authority and responsibilities. Flat structure. A flat structure minimizes hierarchy, giving employees more autonomy. Pros: faster decision-making and high employee engagement. Cons: may struggle with scalability and role clarity. Hierarchical structure. A hierarchical structure has multiple layers of management with clear authority levels. Pros: strong control, clear responsibilities. Cons: can slow decision-making and limit innovation. Network structure. A network structure relies on outsourcing and partnerships rather than internal departments. Pros: cost-effective and scalable. Cons: requires strong coordination and trust in external partners. Each structure has strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right one depends on your company's size, goals, and culture. In the next lesson, we'll discuss how to determine the best structure for your organization.